This is Dan at Blue Dog Farms, head cowologist and keeper in of cattle, and we're building fence. You see a line of fence post we got going on here, and then back behind me there's a corner. Behind me is a corner. You can see the railroad tie set there. It's the corner post, and it's well within the property boundary. You can see the survey flag there, and we're making a left-hand turn. And so what you see here is a bunch of dirt, and it's really kind of a mystery where this dirt came from. Nobody really seems to know why it's here or what it is or what it was for, but it was kind of laid out in a berm here in this corner, and for about 100 feet up this property line. And rather than fence around it or try to fence over it, because it's real mellow, loose dirt, rather than trying to fence over it or where the posts wouldn't stay up very well, or to go around it and just abandon this, I opted to pile it and make it so that I could drive a tractor between the fence and the pile of dirt. It's always nice to have some extra dirt. You know, sometimes you want to fill a hole or something. This is like 20 times more dirt than I'd like to have sitting here, but that's what we got. So most of it was kind of like this hump right here. This is the last little bit I have over in this section to move. Moving it with the New Holland L445 skid steer, and it's working pretty good. Like to have a bit smaller bucket on it, but I don't have that right now. But the skid steer is running good, other than it smokes to high heaven because I haven't fixed the oil leak yet. Anyway, here's the kind of what the normal berm of dirt looked like. It's like 3 to 5 feet tall and just kind of lumpy. Like they dumped it in here with dump trucks and just left it. Really don't know what the purpose of it was. But right now, I'm going to let the New Holland skid steer rest. And I'm going to take all of this here, where you can see the green growing up, the weeds. Forget what that stuff's called, fox something. I don't know. They make a red berry that stains, and the foxes like to eat the red berries. Anyway, I'm going to throw all that up on the pile with the little Takeuchi mini excavator, and make way for this fence that goes right through here. So let's get to it. Alright. Pile of dirt's getting taller. So I finished in here with the excavator. I'll get in and clean this up with the skid steer real quick and make it flat, and then the fence will come right through here. And so there's this pile of dirt that I'll pack over with the finish packing over with the skid steer, and we should be done moving this dirt pile and commence to building fence. So let's get on the skid steer.
Alright, so we got all the dirt moved and put in a pile and made room for the fence to go behind it. I believe I'll still be able to drive a tractor through there as well, which was the goal. I've got a lot of dirt there. If I ever need some, I know where to get it. So the next step is to clear some brush out for the fence line and keep the brush out of the fence and allow us to line up the corner posts so you know, trees aren't in the way and the fence is straight and all that kind of good stuff. Look for that on a different video. Until then, this is Dan here at Blue Dog Farms, head cow-ologist and chief dirt piler, and you have a blessed day.